Good morning, teacher Patty. My name is Juan Danilo Ramas, and I'm going to answer the questions of the quiz. The first question is the Ottoman Empire. The second question, the answer is Constantinople. The question number 3 is Osman the First. The question number 4 is in the year of 1299. The question number 5 is the year of 1453. The question number 6 is Mehmed II. Question number 7 is Istanbul. Question number 8 is Suleiman the Magnificent. Question number 9, the answer is an army made of slaves from Christian families. Question number 10 is to capture Rome and became rulers of the continent. Thank you.